Hello and welcome to my Blackstone Griddle. I'm not cooking anything today. I just want to talk about my griddle and tell you about it. And I've had it for over a year now. I want to put a new sticker on it. I've got my Man Kitchen Meal sticker and I've got my Poor Guy sticker on there. I want to put this, I'm having a little trouble peeling it off of here. This is my Behind the Garage sticker from my buddy Craig. He sent me this months ago and I haven't got around to putting it on the griddle, but I got to get it off of here. I had peeled it. Here it is. I peeled a little spot of it to make it a little easier, but it's not cooperating. Yeah, I just wanted to talk to you about my Blackstone Griddle. I've had it for over a year, and if you're on the fence about getting one, you're thinking about getting one, you don't know if you should or not, there you go. There's Craig's sticker. It's not going to stick on there. You know why? It's all greasy. No, it's on there. Behind the Garage barbecue. How about that? Got it on there. Yeah, if you're on the fence about getting a Blackstone Griddle, let me tell you what. This thing will change your life. You'll love it. I had a little bit of rocky start with it at the beginning because this is the regulator that comes with it, and it's a real piece of crap. It's got a built-in safety feature that if you ever lose pressure, or if the pressure ever becomes too supposedly it's there to stop you from having an accident. If the hose should ever get damaged, it cuts off the flow of propane. But the problem is, it cuts off the flow of propane and you can't light the thing. I was out here, it was either Mother's Day or Easter. I had a big breakfast planned. I was going to make a big breakfast and I couldn't get it to light. And it was driving me crazy. So finally what I did was I replaced it with this one. This is the one I got on Amazon for 20 bucks. It works great. It's variable. It's got a little pressure gauge that you can hardly see. It's so dirty. And a knob that you can turn the pressure up on. And it just works great. So, it's kind of a thing, if you're going to get one of these, you might as well plan on, replacing the regulator, at least in my opinion. Anyway, so let me show you what else I got going on here. Let's back out of this a little bit. I just got these from my buddy Kevin sent these to me. These are wind shields, wind guards. I don't know what you call them, but if you look at this shelf over here, there's a shelf right here. I gotta get my knife out of my pocket. Ah, gosh. What I was doing, I was using these. These are dollar store bench scrapers that you get at the dollar store. And I was inserting them here. Hope you can see that. And I was using that to block the gas. It gets hot right here. The flames come out right here. And this shelf here is unusable because of it. So anyway, my buddy Kevin said, somebody refused to claim their prize, so do you want it? And I said, absolutely. I haven't even opened the box yet. I haven't even looked at it. I'm opening it now for the first time, live on YouTube. And here it is. These are the, I forgot the name of this company. It's got a funny name. Oh yeah, Sys wind guard for the Blackstone 28-inch griddle. And they are magnetic, I guess. I don't even know how many's in the box. Let's see. We're opening this together, folks. Here we go. Get this box out of my way. Get these dumped out. There we go. We've got, it looks like 4 of them. And where they go is down here. I guess you put one on each side. I guess you got to peel this. They stick right here. There you go. There's one. There's one for the other side. I don't know if this is meant to be front and back or side to side. I just don't know. Maybe there's no instructions, I don't think. Anyway, yeah, they go on there. They're magnetic, obviously. And what they do is they block the wind from getting into your... I don't know how they go. I'll figure it out later. I'm not worried about it now. Anyway, yeah, they block the wind, but they also stop the fire from getting this shelf too hot. This shelf gets way too hot. Let me show you. This shelf over here, if you put something plastic on that shelf, like a plastic bottle of any kind, it's going to melt because the fire comes out from the side of this thing and it gets really hot. Anyway, thanks Kevin for the guards. They're really cool. I got to figure out how they work. I don't think there's any instructions in this box. I didn't see any. I guess it's supposed to be self-explanatory. Anyway, yeah, you know what's great about this thing is you can cook bacon on this thing all day long. It makes the best bacon. And all the grease gets trapped in this cup over here. It goes behind the griddle. So it takes the grease out of your way. That's another pro of it. And the other thing is, if you want to make something like smash burgers, this is the way to go. Smash burgers. This thing makes great smash burgers. I wonder if... I think I got the right one on there. Or maybe this is the one that goes here. I don't know. I just don't know. I gotta figure this out. They don't seem to be fitting like they should. That one fits good. Fits there. I'll put this one on the other side. Anyway, I gotta figure that out. I gotta figure that out later. That ain't working out. Yeah, what did I want to say about this thing? Oh, if you're gonna get a Blackstone, you're gonna want one of these. A surface temperature thermometer. I have a nice one that I got from Inkbird, which is built into a instant read thermometer. Really good. And yeah, I was going to outline the pros and cons of this thing. I went over the cons of this thing. That regulator that it comes with is a piece of junk. And that's all there is to it. Replace it right off the bat and you won't have any problems. And there are no other cons except that you have to season the top. And I need to re-season my top because the seasoning's starting to flake off in the back there. It's been over a year. I haven't re-seasoned it since then. I did it the first time. Never did it again. And yeah, it's great. It cooks the best bacon. I mean, it makes bacon for days. No problem. Breakfast, wonderful for cooking breakfast. Smash burgers, the best ever. Smash burgers. It keeps the grease out of your way with this grease cup. And you buy these removable things at Walmart for, you get like 20 for $5. It's a little, you know, it could be a little pricey, I guess, for some people, but it's worth it to me to keep the grease away. Some guys take this thing, drill a hole in it, and lead a tube down into a bucket. The problem with that is, now you've got a bucket, a 5-gallon bucket full of grease after about a year's worth of cooking on it. And you know, what do you do with that? Throw it in the garbage, I guess. I don't know. Anyway. Yeah, what else did I want to say about this thing? Not much. Oh, here's something. I made this myself. They sell a product called Griddle Goalie. If you look right here, you know that the hole where the grease goes? When you're cooking something small and round, like tortellinis or, you know, like little round things, they tend to run off into the grease trap. So you got to build something like this to stop your food from getting away. This is just a little piece of expanded metal that I cut and bent, and it works great. It works great. Got no problems with that right there. What else did I want to say about this thing? Not much. It's very economical to run. A tank of gas lasts me a good long time. Oh, I've been able to do stuff like deep fry on it. You buy these aluminum pans at the grocery store, put them on there, put oil in them, get them hot, you can deep fry stuff. I've cooked a whole bunch of stuff on this thing. Deep fry, you can do all kinds of crap on it, just like it says here. Cook anything, anytime, anywhere. And that's the truth. And this model, the 28-inch, supposedly folds up into a package that you can carry. It's very heavy. It's a little heavy to take camping with you. I don't know, I guess if you've got a big truck and a couple of guys to move it, it wouldn't be so bad. But for me, it's way too heavy to move anywhere. And also, if you're thinking about buying one and you can afford the bigger one, if you have room for it, the 36 inch, I really don't have room for it, my little cramped back space. So the 28 worked out great for me. And yeah, the 36 is probably better. Also, I want to talk about the igniters. I had a problem. This igniter here, you turn the knob, push the knob in, turn it, hear that? Pop. That's a piezo igniter. The other ones have a battery powered igniter with a button. They work much better than these. This one's dead. This one still works, but you have to light the one closest to the tank first. So what I do is I've got a barbecue lighter, and I just stick it in here and light it. It's no big deal. I could live with that. That's no problem. And like I said, I need to re-season the top of it. And yeah, that's about it. That's all I wanted to say. If you can't afford those wind guards, just go down to the dollar store, get a couple of these bench scrapers and just stick them in there. I used that for months. Never a problem. But now I got these snappy new guards that Kevin sent me. So I guess I'll be using them. I got to peel the blue protective plastic off of there. Some people enjoy peeling this off. It's a hassle for me. Plus my hands are all greasy from touching the griddle. Yeah, you get that off of there. Yeah. Okay, there's still a piece on there, see? Alright, I think I got it all off there. And I could put this where it's supposed to be, right there. And now I've got a little wind guard. How about that? Yeah, so I can't remember what else I wanted to say. I should have wrote it down, I guess. Anyway, I gotta tell you, I'm very happy with this thing. It does some great stuff. I cooked some great food on it. Got a lot more to cook on it. Got a lot more to do with it. Get yourself one of these things so you can melt cheese and so forth. That thing's a handy accessory. If you can afford these things, I guess they're worth it. Haven't tried them out yet. I guess I'll find out. Anyway, that's all I really wanted to tell you was, yeah, the pros outweigh the cons. Get yourself a Blackstone Griddle. You won't be sorry. You'll be happy. I'm happy with it. I'm very happy with it. It's a great tool for cooking, and it just it's the best. So yeah, that's all I got to say about that. Go up in the iCard and visit my buddy Kevin. He's a maven when it comes to one of these things. He's got a big one. He's been using it for years. He does all kinds of crap on it. Go check him out. Check out Poor Guy. He's got a Blackstone too. Poor Guy. I don't know if Greg has one or not. I don't think he does. He's got a bunch of other stuff though. And yeah, that's about it. I think that's gonna wrap it up. That's all I wanted to say about my Blackstone 28-inch griddle. The igniter died. That's to be expected. I had to replace the regulator. It was a hassle at first, but once I got it changed, it made smooth sailing after that. It makes it great. And it cooks the best bacon, smash burgers, you name it, anything, anywhere, anytime. That's their motto. Okay, so thanks for watching, and come back next week. Maybe we'll cook something on it, but you never know. And yeah, check me out on YouTube. Give me a thumbs up, subscribe, you know all that crap. Anyway, we'll see you later. Bye. So, do you like Grumpy's cooking?
Yes.
What do you like that I make the best?
Bologna sandwich.
A bologna sandwich?
Yeah.
That's what you like?
Yeah. But
You like barbecue?
I like no barbecue.
No barbecue?
I like Holly over
I see Holly over there.
there. Too.
So, what do you want to cook?
I want to cook a bologna sandwich.
A bologna sandwich.
Yes.
That's all you care about?
Yes.
The bologna sandwiches. Okay, can you say bye? Say bye to everybody?
Bye bye.
Wave. Wave bye.
Bye bye.
Bye.
Bye.